first step, we should unscrew this hand screw bolt first and take out the head bolt and the last gasket. And then the second step, we should put this telescopic rod into the end position of the solar panel brush head, like this. Then we put in the head bolt and the last gasket, and then we tighten this hand screw bolt like this by your hand. Okay, it's complete. And then we should here is there are two lights in here. One is this one is a cable, and the second one is the blue one is a water supply line. Then we should connect these two lines first. Then let's see the end of the telescopic rod. Here is a water pipe and a cable. We should make this. This is a male head of the cable, and this is a female head of the spring wire, which connect these two. You see, like this. And then we put this connector to insert into the lithium battery. Bỏ tiệm. Và có cái tay khai được tỉnh hăng.